Denver, Denver, wake up, it's Sunday. We're going out today. Yeah, Urbex? Oh no, okay, I see you're not in. What about some nature maybe? Yeah, with lots of water. Yeah, okay. Get ready, and we're waiting for you outside. You know what's amazing about Urbex is that it leads me to discover spots that I never have guessed existed. This lake is one of these hidden treasures I discovered during an Urbex adventure. It's barely noticeable on Google Maps. You really need to be an insider to locate it. Yep, I just defined myself as a Portuguese. So if you're being nice and stay till the end, I'll reveal how to find this spot. So when we arrive, we're alone. Well, almost. There are two local fishermen enjoying their favorite spot on a corner of the lake. To get here, we traveled through so many Portuguese villages caught in another time lapse, somewhere in the 60s maybe, mostly rural and agricultural zones. Then there's this lake. It feels like we're in a secret cove in the south of France, with the sound of the I don't know how you call them in English. In French we call them cigales. But anyway, charming. And finally, the pressure of the week is just going down. And look at Denver. Isn't he the happiest dog in the world? We arrived not entirely prepared for this trip, apart from my photography equipment that I always have with me and all the necessities for Denver. We only brought some fruit, water bottles and chips. Yeah, fancy. But this time we've decided we need to get ourselves the perfect campus kit: a tent, chairs, gas stove for the coffee, and everything we need to spend lazy hours by the lakes. But for now, we'll make it with what we have, and maybe a lemon ice cream or a beer from the nearest gas station. We only drove 45 minutes from home to reach this little paradise. After a few hours, we've soaked up some sun. Denver has gathered a head full of lakeside memories, and we've recharged our energy, at least enough for the week. One thing is certain, our Portuguese adventure started less than a year ago, and every day is a new discovery, a new place, a new side of Portugal we didn't know. As you can understand, we are drawn to places that are less crowded, not at all even. We trip around the region during our free time in search of simple but striking experiences and landscape. We are not globetrotters, we are not influencers, we are just a couple with regular jobs, recently arrived in Portugal to live a simple life. And through this YouTube channel, I hope to share and let you enjoy as much as we do, traveling a few tens of kilometers from home into the rural lands, the lands that our hearts have chosen and which has become our new adventure. Oh, and I almost forgot to tell you, to find this spot, you can put Barragem de Magos into your GPS. I'll write it down. So with a good car and a bit of an adventurous spirit, I'll leave it to you to explore this little paradise and find your dream spot by the lake.